Before I break down much income and investments, I just want to share a little on why I consistently talk about my income transparently, despite whatever negative feedback that comes my way. Money Diaries is a content I wish I had years ago when I was still working at my full-time corporate job, making a little under $2,300 from local content creators. The inspiration I drew from other overseas creators who shared their income transparently pushed me on this trajectory, and if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to grow my income to what it is today, making 5 figures or at least more than what I used to make at my full-time corporate job. Saving and investing is important, yes, but I truly believe that it is increasing your income earning capacity that is way more beneficial. Like I mentioned previously, my take-home salary was about $2,300 in the earlier days, and I spent about $1,000 just to upkeep myself for my fixed expenses and variable expenses. In 1 year, I would at best save $15,000 if I didn't travel, if I didn't spend $5 on that coffee that would make me extremely happy. But in terms of well-being, how would I feel? How would you feel if you were in this position? Investing would take years before you actually see compound interest work its magic. The first $100,000 invested would largely come from your own savings, from your income instead of market returns. Unless you stock pick and you are really capable with that, most of it will come from your savings. So this is why I strongly believe, after going through it myself, what is going to change your life like it did to mine is increasing your earning capacity and not just by saving money. Yes, not everyone can be a content creator, not everyone should, but if you enjoy doing what we do to put yourself in front of the public, by all means go and do it, because on this journey of creating content online, I have grown so much in my character and it has helped me to expand my perspective when it comes to how I view life. So despite the stigma that comes along with talking about money, income, etc., I'm going to continue doing what I do best, and I hope to inspire another person who, like me, just wants an alternative in this life. So right now, let's go and break down much income and investments. Let's go. Let's start with the smallest income and work our way upwards. Coming in first is cashback that gave me a little over $100 in the month of March. As you guys know, living here in South Korea, I'm using the Trust Cashback credit card that gives me 1% cashback outside of my one preferred category, which is entertainment for this quarter. And by factoring in that 1% cashback, this card will give you the best rates guaranteed. But as I was speaking to someone on Instagram just a few minutes ago, he actually told me that he used Trust in China, compared it with U-Trip, and the base rates alone without factoring in that cashback already beats U-Trip rates. So that really piqued my curiosity. I'm gonna try it out after filming this video right here in Korea. An update in my Telegram channel. If you have not joined, you can scan this QR code over here, or link will be down in the description box below. Next is HSBC Everyday Global Savings Account that gave me $26.87. Trust Scratch Card for the previous promotion, when you guys use my referral code, I got $65 last month, but right now the new promotion is $10 NTUC voucher. This is not an affiliate program that I have with them. You can open up your Trust Bank app, head on to referrals, and you'll see that if you refer your friends and family, you will also receive that NTUC voucher. Next category is digital products that gave me a total of $197.99 in the month of March. The Notion Finance Tracker and my Google Sheets annual budgeting tracker is on Coffee, which you guys can purchase if you would like to. I use it to track my expenses on a daily basis. When I'm out and about, I just double tap the back of my iPhone and it will record an expense. Apart from that, my investments, my savings rates, my monthly budgeting for my expense categories, it's all done on this finance tracker, which is on Notion. So if you'd like to use the same one that I do, link will be down in the description below. Interest income gave me a total of $318.32. High yield bank savings account interest, a total of $206.99 received. And Fraser Green Bond, I invested $5,000 and that gave me $111.33. If you are not caught up, OCBC 360 from the 1st of May 2025, they're going to decrease their interest rates. I'll put more details down in the description box below. Other banks will soon follow suit, so don't be surprised. Always look around for deals that are available while doing your own due diligence. For example, when Longbridge ran their new user promotion for 8% interest booster, as a new user myself, because they are licensed by MAS, I decided to sign up, place the funds in the SGD Fullerton Cash Fund to earn that 8% interest booster and some trades along with that. Longbridge Singapore is a low-cost broker that allows you to invest in the Singapore, US, and Hong Kong stock market with minimal fees, Plus, enjoy the lifetime commission-free trades for the US and Hong Kong markets. New users can now enjoy a 14% interest booster for 90 days on up to $2,000 deposited into any of the Cash Plus funds. On top of that, meet the required fund holding period and trade conditions to earn half an Nvidia share or one whole Apple share. Sign up using my exclusive link or enter the promo code to receive an extra $18 cash coupon as well. For more details, I'll leave it down in the description box below. Next category is dividends that gave me a total of $572.04. The breakdown of what REITs gave me how much is on screen right now, and these are the number of units that I'm still holding as of today, the time I'm filming this video. Google AdSense revenue for the month of February, by posting 5 videos, I receive a total of $1,299.69 after deducting US taxes. I still have to account for the taxes due on Singapore's side. Other income came up to a total of $2,099.88, and this is based off selling stuff on Carousell, together with Chocolate Finance Referral, which is the open referral program that you have if you are using Chocolate Finance as well, and capital gains for selling Fraser Centrepoint Trust. So I did cover in this video my 2025 investment plans that I'm not too sure about wanting to hold REITs for the long term, which is why I sold away 1,000 units on Momo Singapore's app, and I still have some stake in it that I'm holding on CMC's platform. So I've not completely exited my positions. I still have some stake in Fraser Centrepoint Trust. YouTrip referral gave me $5. One of you signed up, I think, from my older videos, because I do not actively promote YouTrip right now after using Trust Cashback Credit Card as my main card here in South Korea or wherever, as long as I'm traveling. Affiliate income is the largest income out of every other category. That gave me a total of $8,330. As usual, I can't break down to you, but you can tell from my videos who I'm affiliated with. These are official partnerships that I have, and as always, I do not do as much sponsorships, and I prefer growing my affiliate income instead. It's just a value that I have since the earlier days of the channel. I only take on sponsorships if they are things that I personally use or I find it beneficial, but they have no part to play in my entire financial setup. That is my value, and with your support, I can continue staying true to this value. So from the bottom of my heart, I truly just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have been supporting the channel. I wouldn't be able to do all that I do if it's not for you guys. So all in all, for my March income, it came up to a total of $13,541.56. Let's move on to March investment update. Let's go. I'll be very honest, March is not exciting. Besides my monthly buy into CSPX, the S&P 500 index fund of 1,000 USD, an equivalent of a little over 1,300 Singapore dollars, I bought a one-off purchase of a little under $4,000 SGD, an equivalent of $3,000 USD into CSPX. Besides that, I have not bought anything else. I thought I would be investing more, but just looking at how the market was fluctuating, I think that one-off purchase for now will be enough, because if ever the market drops further, I want to have some leftover money to deploy into the stock market as well. So besides buying, I have also sold my Fraser Centrepoint Trust, 1,000 shares of it, as I mentioned earlier, and I made $54.87 because my cost price was $2.15 and the market price I sold it at was $2.21. Sometimes it doesn't have to be exciting. Boring is good as well, just as long as I don't panic and I don't sell my units that I'm holding. So that's all for March Money Diaries. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave it down in the comment section below. If you want to connect a little bit more personally and have some behind the scenes update, my Telegram channel that I've just started probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago by the time you're watching this video, scan this QR code over here or link will be down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next one. As always, have an amazing week ahead. Bye bye.